Guys, November 3rd, 2025. So now I got a call from a new customer. I guess I work for his neighbor. Been a couple of years since he's had his burner service. He wants me to go by there. I guess the guy doing the service is no longer in business, or died, or retired, or whatever it is. I don't know, but we're looking for a new burner guy, and I told him I could do it. Well, I'm gonna go by there and see what's going on with it, and do my usual with the thing. Give it the once over and see what we got to do to it. Not rocket science. Seems like I do a lot of oil stuff. I got it off there. It's been a couple of years since he serviced it. The filter's here. Tank's over there. I don't like that, but I'll change this filter for sure. It's been a couple of years. Yeah, definitely needs to be changed. Look at the baka. Old Baki. Old Baki. Should be able to bleed it right here. Should be able to. Been a couple of years, he said, since he serviced it. Yeah, we're getting a good flow here already, so. We'll check our flow through the pump. It should be alright. Old Baki. Says he's got a dog that looks like mine, but she's 100 pounds. I don't know what the whole kind of dog that is, but man. My dog's no 100 pounds. Looks a little crusty here in this sucker. I don't know what this guy's running for a nozzle, but 85, 85, 80. Electrodes are a little crusty. It's been a couple of years, he said. Don't look bad. You want a little smaller nozzle in there, go a little smaller. A big boiler here. Now I'll go with the 8580. That's what it was in the 8580. We'll see what we're looking like here when we fire it up. Electrodes seem a little high there. A little barky. We'll see how it fires up. This thing's a little cookie. This seems a little cooked. Jump out TT here and this thing should fire when I turn on the power. With the power off there, but I could jump out TT here. And I turn the power on, she should come on. A little delay. It's off on high limit right now, I think. Raise the high limit up. $150. Set out low limit to one. Set out low limit to 160. We'll set our high limit to 180. Alright, no filter, no nozzle, good draft over fire. She's running good. It's got zone valves. I'm gonna turn up the thermostat. He's saying he's having a problem with the third floor one. We're gonna turn it up, and then we'll see if it comes back warm. This pipe's nice and cold right now, so one of these is gonna be coming from the second floor. Could be a bad zone head. Might have air in it, we'll see. Takes 90 seconds for it to energize. We're coming back a lot. We're coming back nice and hot, so that zone's working fine. It's just the T87F high and low. That bimetal thing is not accurate.
Alright. Circulator seems okay.